Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, why ingati this season uMaNgcwabe is here for uMacele? Listen, when this season started, uMaNgcwabe did say that the reason why she chose to stay emshadenakhe is to prove some people wrong. Some people who betched ngayo ukuthi uyahamba kwaMseleku, and uMaNgcwabe said, not on my watch. I am not about to let the Cele family rejoice like that on my watch. Angazi-ke guys, ukuthi is there something like that where a person would stay emshadenabo just to prove a point? But you could tell uMaNgcwabe was definitely speaking about uMacele and her family. And ever since this retreat, the other two ladies being uMayeni and uMakhumalo. Okay, let me not count uMayeni because bandlu uMayeni akazingeni. She's not interested in even addressing matters because she knows it's not going to make no difference. uMakhumalo is trying to bring out matters, but yeah, she's beating around the bush. uMaNgcwabe then said, no, we're not going to be doing that. We've been doing that for years and it has brought us nowhere. Listen, even uMaNgcwabe's facial expressions on next week's episode when uMacele walks out, engathi uMaNgcwabe uyahleka of the fact that uMacele is walking out. I'm like, engathi uMaNgcwabe is saying, but you know what? I want uMacele to feel lento that she was trying to make me feel by being happy that I'm exiting my marriage. I wanted to feel my presence that ngikhona. Angazi-ke guys how this is going to end because uMusa has just recently came around and said ungcono uMaNgcwabe uyangithanda mina uMakhumalo ngingazi, which on its own doesn't make sense. I wonder if uMaNgcwabe addressing things head on might not change uMusa's feelings towards her. But me thinking of the way uMusa reasons, guys, and because this season he is just not feeling uMakhumalo, he's probably gonna say uyabona-ke lenzondo or this chaos that uMakhumalo brings and she hotspots abanye is exactly what I was speaking about. He's probably gonna attribute uMaNgcwabe's way of moving to uMakhumalo. Anyway, let's pause it right there. You tell me your thoughts and your analysis on the way uMaNgcwabe is moving this season. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.